How's everybody doing?
All right, now I've been asked a couple of times, how do I ride in the rain? Well, first, I wear a full face if it's raining. The sunglasses are optional. You can wear other type glasses. Mine are because I've had eye surgery. A nice jacket. This happens. This happens to be the Harley Davidson one. I prefer all black, but this is what they had that would fit me. Give me a minute, I'm gonna set the camera. My pants are Vortex. And I bought shoe covers. Now here's the neat thing with shoe covers. Yeah, I was gonna try to change this one ran out of power. So these shoe covers are from Harley Davidson. You can get them from anywhere. They literally are that easy to take off. Go on the same way. I just drove 50 miles. My shoes are dry. Boom. Shoe covers are off. These are kind of wet, so I'm gonna put them in the back of the bike. Jacket, of course, I'm going to unzip. So the jacket and pants I'm wearing to work because it's going to be easier. Those, all I got to do is stick in the back. It's that simple. I use cheap gloves for the simple fact of when it's wet like this, you don't want a leather glove because the leather glove is going to get nasty. Those will dry out within about an hour. It's really simple. It's something that anyone can do. Guys, if it's raining, drive within your capability. Yep, I want to try, so I'm probably going places and times where others might not. But I did this with my two-wheeler for years. It's all on what you want to do and what you can do. I'm hoping you guys all have a safe and fun day. Please enjoy, ride safe, think before you ride, and make it.